In this video I'm going to show how to make a potion of fire resistance in Minecraft Xbox One Edition. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm not showing the process on Xbox, but it's the same process if you're on computer, on phone, doesn't matter the Minecraft version, okay? So, first you need to kill a blaze and a slime, okay? You need to kill a slime to get the slime ball. So kill the slime. I need to drop the slime ball. So you need to have the slime ball, and you need to kill a blaze to get the blaze rod, okay, the blaze rod. With the blaze rod you will make blaze powder, okay? So after killing the blaze and the slime, you need to get nether wart, okay? Here the nether wart you can get on the nether, on the nether fortress, okay? So after getting all of this, you need to have 3 glass bottle, okay? And you will get 3 water bottle, and you need to make the brewing stand, okay? So you need to put a blaze rod and 3 cobblestones. You make this iron, put on the ground, and now you need to put your water bottle, put a nether wart, and you need to first put a blaze powder, okay? So put a nether wart right here. After doing that, you will make this on the potions, and you need to craft a magma cream, okay? So put a slime ball and a blaze powder. You will make magma cream, put again, okay? And you will make the potion of fire resistance. To increase the time, you can put a redstone dust to increase the time to 8 minutes, okay? And that's it, you are ready to make a potion of fire resistance Xbox One Edition. I hope I helped you how to make a potion of fire resistance. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.